Welcome to MMW Tech. Tomorrow I join a group and some people ask me how to insert a new background after removing one. So in this video I will show you how to insert a background in Adobe Photoshop 2020. Before we start the video, take 10 seconds and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So let's get started. So first of all, if you are having a background layer, double click it and rename it with any name. Then have to insert an image of your new background below your main picture, as you can see here. Now select the area you do not want to remove by quick selection tool. And then press Ctrl plus Shift plus I. It will revert it. Then pick up eraser and erase the select area. Don't worry, only that area will be removed what you have not selected with quick selection tool. Boom, done. It's so simple. Now you have a new background and it's look more realistic than previous one. If you like the video, smash the like button and share it with your friends.